everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a Gmail account step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the gmail.com. Once the page loads, click on create an account button. You will see two options, for my personal use or for my work or business. Choose for my personal use if you are creating a personal account like me. Enter your first and last name. Now click on next button. Enter your DOB, date of birth. Click on next button. Choose a unique username. This will be your email address. Now create a strong password and confirm it. Enter your mobile number so Google can verify your account. You will receive a code via SMS. Type it in and click verify. Enter 6-digit code. Now, guys, you can add any recovery email address if you have. As of now, I am skip this option. Click on next. Okay, guys. Now agree to terms. Read Google privacy and terms. Then click I agree. Okay. Click on accept all. Click on confirm. Now click on I agree. That's it. Your Gmail account is now ready to use. You can start sending emails using Google Drive, YouTube, and many more. That's all in this video. Guys, thanks for watching. Have a good day.